Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm buying Astral in the market level now around 1984. So I just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to take the target up to 5 or 6 points. So as of now the market is down minus 0.30% down. Yes, the market can go down a bit today, and there are some resistance and there are some support level according to the Nifty 50 chart what I've seen. So yes, that's okay, but let's see how the stock will perform, because this stock is in a side where the buyers are coming. So this is the zone where the buyers are coming. According to my study and according to my strategy, this stock has a potential to go up till here. I'm not telling you the stock can go up for a whole day. So at least for my target, like 5 to 6 points or 7 points, it can go up is what my view is. So let's wait and see how the stock will perform today. And right now it's trading around 1981. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel to get a lot of educational videos and to see the daily live trades what I upload. Okay, so currently around 1981 and 1982, so this can take some time. Let's wait for it, as the market is bit a bearish side, so this stock can take a few minutes or few time to get a bullish momentum is what my view is. So let's see how the stock will perform. And guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a trading setup. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what is spent for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and by getting in touch with me personally you can contact me. And also it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the daily live market guidance as well. So every day in live market, whatever the trade I'm taking, you'll be getting the same guidance as well. And guys, as of now, the high made is 1986 almost, that is 1985.90. So let's wait for some time and see how the stock will perform. So the target will be somewhere around 1991 or no 1990. So 5 or 6 points target is what I'm expecting. And let's see how the stock will perform. And yes, according to my study, the market is still down minus 0.40% down as of now. So let's see how and what time it will take the stock to hit the target. So I don't think so it will take much of a time here, because as the stock price is above 1000, we can expect some of the quick movement to happen is what I'm guessing. So 1985, okay, 1989 now. So yes, we have got some of a fast movement here, close to 1990 here guys. So we are almost closer to the target. So let's see now, and I'll just take the exit in next few minutes. If the momentum continues like this, we are almost closer to the target here. So guys, yes, as you guys can see now, the stock has made a high of 1991. So this was a quick movement here, 1993 now. So you can see how fast the stock is moving, and the market is still minus 0.36 or 37% down here. But this stock has a bullish movement here. As I said you in the beginning of this live trade, that this stock is in a buyer zone. I mean the zone where the buyers are able to come here. So that's why I selected the stock and bought the stocks according to my strategy. So yes, 1995 is a new high made. So I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you about the trade. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 1996.95 as a high, almost 1997 is a new high what it has made. So we took the exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Astral. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay. So if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.